Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we are talking about how to see who liked your thread on Threads app. Why would you want to know how to see who liked your thread on Threads app? Well, maybe it is your first time using Threads and not sure how to see who liked your thread on Threads app. So today I am going to show you how to see who liked your thread on Threads app. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Seeing who liked your thread on Threads app is quite simple and easy to do, and the process is same for Android and iOS devices. Let me show how you will see who liked your thread on Threads app. First of all, open Thread app in your device. And now here is my thread home screen. And now click on likes of any thread, and these people have liked it. And now for viewing your own thread likes, and first of all click on your profile icon in the right bottom corner, and now scroll down this screen. Here are few threads that I have posted on Threads app. Now click on likes, and these people have liked my thread. So there you go. If you were wondering how to see who liked your thread on Threads app, that is the easiest way I know. If you know another way, please leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.